everybody, welcome back to my channel. Boop, boop. Can you guys already tell what I'm wearing? I'm just kidding. Okay, I'll stop. Anyways, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone's excited for Christmas and New Year's, and I know people are probably super crazy busy, so I don't know. Welcome back, so today we're gonna go ahead and talk about the Joni Jumpsuit by the Friday Pattern Company. And I really enjoyed sewing this. It was really easy. It was really simple. And first, let me just say this packaging is beautiful. I have always been a fan of their packaging. But see, like, oh, chic, beautiful, and sleek. But in the back, it has like the size chart in inches and centimeters. It has like the finished garment measurements, and then in inches again and in centimeters. And then I like this, like it says how much yard you'll need, and then here, like it gives you, it gives you like little tips, like you may need to purchase extra yardage if your fabric has a heavy nap. Like here it tells you the seam allowance. It's all a 5/8 seam allowance. It's included in the pattern. You may need like a 14-inch zipper, matching thread, and a stretch or ballpoint medium needle. So these are like, this is awesome the way that the whole layout is made. And then here it even says like what the Joni Jumpsuit is. It's just so much information, and then added pictures at the back where it just makes it look chic. It just makes it look really well put together. Like no paper, no material in the back went to waste. And it even has like just so much information, and it's not messy. It's all organized and laid out beautifully. And then the way that it came taped, and the way that it opened, it just opens like that. And then I love how here, the minute you open it, it has like their website and their Instagram following, like where you can find them. So then you open it, and then up here it has like, have fun sewing, believe in you. That is like, just, I love their message. I love how like they push to encourage you, to look, you can share your make, hashtag Joni Jumpsuit. This video is gonna have a hashtag. It says like hashtag Friday Pattern Company. Like in the bottom, it has like a thank you, like just very well thought out packaging. Like it even says this pattern benefits the Innocence Project. So you're not just purchasing the pattern, you know what I mean? Like, I don't know, it's just, so, and then at the bottom it goes, so if sewing makes you happy and giving back makes you happy, then you, my friend, have at least 2 reasons to be happy right now. That's just, it's just nice. Like, I don't know. And then another thing too,
we have been over this, people. I do not cut my patterns. Call me a hoarder. I'll take it. I do not cut my patterns. I trace them. So, and even here,
but see, it says here, like, we hate seeing paper go to waste. You can use this space to write down any pattern hacks, changes, or maybe a grocery list. And then on this side, it has, like, Melissa. Like, it has a little trophy. Like, Melissa is the #1 best in the world at smiling. I am very good at smiling. So, it has, like, a little trophy thing. You could tell that they like put a lot of work into these patterns, and like they just wanted to share like a lot of love and a lot of happiness.
Now let's talk about the jumpsuit. The actual jumpsuit.
I do not believe that I chose the right fabric for it.
No, maybe it's just me because I don't know. I think, clothes is going to look a certain way on me, and then I put it on and it's like, It's not how I thought it would fit me. You know what I mean? And I
think I should have done a small instead of a medium. Yeah, but my waist is here. It's not here. So I have to Like, it should have fit me like this, you know, like that. But it fits me a little too low, and I feel like it just doesn't, I feel like my figure just doesn't do it justice. But I don't know, you know, what do you guys think? Is this too much? Is it too strong? I don't know. See, and even here, I feel like it's too low. Like it's too big here. But I mean, I sewed it. I like this top part. Maybe like I'll cut it and then like add like something else to it. Maybe just make it or turn it into a really, really cute crop top. You know, this is the back. But I don't know. I really like this part. I like the top half, how it looks on me. I just wish that it would have been like here. See that? I wish it would have been there. But I don't know. Tell me what you guys think. I like how the fabric feels on my skin and everything, but I think mentally I pictured it differently in my head. So trying to picture, so it kind of let me down personally because I thought it was going to look a certain way. Not the pattern, you know what I mean, but the fabric, the design on the fabric. I thought it was just going to look different than what it does, but I feel like it's too strong. I feel like it's too, like, I just feel like it's too strong.
Alright, give me 1 second.
Alright, so as you can see, I went ahead and changed. So this is the second one, and I actually like this one better, you know? I feel like this one complements my skin tone a little bit more. I feel like the fabric is really, really light, you know, perfect for the summer and spring. This is not where my waist is though. It's up here. So I have to like make it up here. You see that? You see how, I don't know if you guys can tell, but there's a difference with like it being up here at my waist and it being there, not at my waist. See? I feel like it would fit me better if it was just up here, because then the pockets open up here, the pockets would open, you know, but then it messes up the crotch. This part, it messes that part up a little bit, and then it rises up my butt. I only made this pattern twice, and do I like it? Yes, I do. I really like how it's just one piece and how the design up here is like really, I like this heart-shaped design. I really, really like that part. What I don't like about it is that because I'm still learning, I have to go back and adjust the waistline. But I personally really, really like the pattern. I really enjoyed because it also came with instructions, and then the instructions were really, really, really simple to follow. It gives you tips on sewing with knits. Like it tells you like the wrong side, the right side, you know, where to put everything, how to sew it together. It was extremely, extremely easy to sew. This one was so easy. It was so much like, it was simple and I could get right into it and I felt confident in it and I felt confident sewing it. If you're a beginner and you get confused easily like I do, I highly recommend this and the toaster sweater. The toaster sweater pattern and this one are amazing. On the website it says for intermediate beginners, and I guess because I sewed it, I guess I can consider myself an intermediate beginner. I'm really good at sewing blankets and, you know, other stuff like that. I'm not good at sewing stuff for myself, so This one definitely brought in more confidence in my sewing skills, and it definitely made me feel like, all right, I can sew some cute outfits. It's not that hard. It's not that difficult. And
will I sew it again? Yes, I will sew this 10,000 times again.
I actually want to go ahead and buy like some, like the color that you see here is like a blue, one solid color. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna be making this again in the next couple weeks. I'm gonna make this one and my other one, so stay tuned for those, for that video, because I'm definitely gonna bring those two out.
What did it teach me? So the only difference, I will say this, the only thing that I did not sew, I didn't sew a zipper in either one of these.
Because I felt like it didn't need one, because one, this is super stretchy. Two, there's a whole tie thing in the back. I left it alone. And I just kept sewing. So I will definitely be sewing this again without the zipper. I really like how it feels. I like how it, I like wearing and knowing that I made something now. It makes me pretty proud, you know, to wear something, even if it's just around the house. What did it teach me? It taught me that my waistline is up here and I like things to fit my waist. It taught me that I need to watch out and actually measure myself when it comes to lengthening or shortening the hem at the bottom. It taught me also how to put on easy pockets.
Like, this is a pocket, but I don't know if you can see. Here, I'll show you on the other one. It taught me how to, like, put on really, really easy pockets. It's top stitched. The pocket is top stitched. It's not on the inside. I didn't have to do anything crazy. I just folded it, ironed it, and top stitched it. Even here. See? I folded it and ironed it, and it just taught me that you can put pockets in anything. You know what I mean? And it looks cute. It looks nice. You know what I mean?
But yeah, that's it. I hope I answered, you know, most of the questions. I hope you guys enjoyed my makes. I hope you enjoyed my video. I hope you enjoyed what I had to share today regarding the pattern and my makes. I will catch you guys again next week for another video. But yeah, with that, bye you guys. Enjoy your week, your days, and I hope you're all staying warm wherever you are. Have a good day, guys. Bye.